Hi, my name is Steven, but you can call me Mr. Vix. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to trade the NAS100, which is also known as the Nasdaq Profitably. I'll also share the secrets of when and how you can place a trade. I'll also share how you can actually close and add positions at the right time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out every time we post a new video. Let's jump you right into the video and get you started.
So as you can see now, this is the NAS100 daily analysis update. So in this daily analysis update, I will just show you on certain levels where you can buy and sell. So if you look at the blue marked areas, they represent where you should buy. So a trend line consists of 2 points. So as you can see, we've got our first point, our second point. So our third point becomes a good buy zone, a good buy level. So this is how it works. And then if you look on the resistance trend line on the top above here, we have also three touches. We have our first touch, second touch, and our third touch. So on our third touch, this is also where we look for sales. But since the channel is already bullish, I suggest you look for more buys than sells. On the other side here, we have a bearish channel. So as you can see, we've witnessed market dropping every time it touches the resistance trend line, and falling price dropping all the way to our support trend line. So this is our support trend line. So as soon as market touches our resistance trend line, we were expecting the price to drop. So once the price drops, this becomes your sell areas. So before you actually sell at this point or this point, you must wait for the third touch to the trend. So we've got our first touch, second touch, confirming a trend line. Now this is our sweet spot. This is where we actually sell in the market. So since we already have had a trend line which was confirming that market is bullish, we clearly had to wait for market to simply break through the channel. So as soon as market broke through the channel, this was a very good sweet spot again for you to actually consider to sell the market. So this is the same thing that's happening at this level right here. At this level, we are looking forward to actually sell, but we are waiting for more confirmation before we can begin to sell the NAS100. So as you can see, this is the daily analysis on the Nasdaq. So I'll just take you through to the 4 hours analysis update so we can see what we have on the 4 hours analysis update. So now this is what we have on the 4 hours analysis update. As you can see, it's been already simplified for you so you can actually see clear what's happening in the market. We have a resistance trend line right here at the top, and we have a support trend line at the bottom. So what happens is that you have to wait for 2 points to, like a trend line only becomes valid once 2 points meet. So we have our first point and our second point. So our third point automatically becomes a sell area. So this is where you actually sell. And a lot of people ask me questions if fundamentals can really affect a technical trader. If you're a technical analyst, I've never actually felt that you can have problems regarding the fundamentals and stuff, because fundamentals follow technical analysis. So if you're a technical analyst, then you're good. So this is the area where we look for sales. So we sell at these areas, we sell at this area. So once market touches your trend line, that's when you sell. So once market touches the resistance trend line, that's where we look for sales. So as you can see, there was a good sale here, there was a good sale here, and there was a good sale here. So this usually happens when the channel is well established. So you have to analyze for you to see these moves. You can't see this move without you analyzing. Now that's why we have our mentorship package, Teach HFX, where we teach you how to understand these zones and these levels. So once we teach you, it's a class that goes on for a lifetime. So once we give you these teachings, these are the basic things that you will at least learn to understand, because This is a 4 hours update, guys. Selling the market from this point or this point to this point, all these are a lot. It's a lot of pips. So once you become profitable on these pips, I'll give you an example. The example that I can give you right now is, if let's say I had $500 at this level and sell enter like 3 positions all the way to this level, I'm guaranteed to make almost 3,000, because this is NASDAQ and this is a 4 hours analysis update. So it actually generates a lot of money, and I would love to help people understand that the NASDAQ it generates a lot of money basically, and then it's very simple to trade, not as complicated as how people may think, because selling at these areas, you just have to be patient if you want to sell at these areas. If you're not so confident with the 4 hours update, you can use the same analysis and just shift down to the 1 hour analysis update, so you can see clearly it's actually the same, nothing changes. And that's one of the questions that I get. Nothing changes, it's one and the same. All what changes is how you view your trend lines and how you view your charts. So as you can see, we had this is our resistance trend line. We still have our first touch, second touch, third touch in an hour. So nothing basically changes, it's one and the same, but it will help you maybe where to set up your stop loss and everything. So you can sell at these levels, you sell at these levels. So as you can see, we had a forced breakout, but market still closed below our resistance trend line. We had another touch here, we had another touch here, we also had another touch here. So in conclusion, I feel like we are our winning rate is 80% already, just looking at the trend line, or even 90%, because there's no way you can actually miss this move, there's no way you can miss this move, there's no way you can miss this move, there's no way you can miss this move, and there's still no way you can miss this move. So these are one of the things that we teach you at Teacher HFX that we want you to master. I've got a broker that I've been working with. I feel that you guys should actually work with, especially people that don't have enough capital to fund in their trading accounts. So this broker is low on leverage, and their spread, the spread is good. So what happens is that if the spread is good, then you can enter a number of positions with a little investment that you have. So for example, if you have $500, and by the way, they are giving 175 deposit bonus. So the 175 deposit bonus will help you enter more trades. So let's say if I had $500, they'll give me, so what is 175% of $500? So that's how good this company is. So it's giving you the bonus that will help you enter trades, a number of trades with actually a small amount of funding. So if you fund like $500, you get a deposit 175% of that $500. So we're talking about you having 1,250 somewhere there, if I'm not mistaken. So now it's a big help for because your leverage is good. So it means you can still enter a number of positions through the same amount of money that you have. So if you enter, if you fund and place a position right at this area or at this area, it gives you more leverage, so you can add more positions. So it means with the $500, I'll give you an example, from 500 you can go to 3, depending on how you view the market. You can go to 3K, you can go to 5K. So it will help you grow your account in a massively way. So I tell this to people. The bonus will actually help you with the leverage, because that's what we're looking at. I wouldn't like trading without a bonus, because once you're trading without a bonus, it means you're using your own equity to balance your leverage. But if you've got a bonus, which is 175 bonus, it will help you with the leverage, which is actually very good. And then once you're trading, it means your profits will be high, because the secret about trading is lose small and high. And then that's one thing I've learned about the NASDAQ. You always make high and lose low. So That's how it is. I'm not saying you can't get stopped out. You can get stopped out, but if I can see, if the trend line is as clean as this, I'm giving you a certain guarantee that you will benefit from the trades and you will make a lot of profit, because see here, these are good sell areas. How did we predict this retracement right here? Because our market has shifted from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So that's why we have the daily, because what we're looking at in 4 hours is this bearish drop. So now if we go back, this is what's happening. Market started trading bullish, which was on the support trend line, which was a perfect move for you guys to actually get some good pips on this buy. So probably if you're working with the digital HFX and you're in the mentorship, I'm sure I'll quickly discuss this on a Zoom session. So these are one of the things that will help you as digital HFX. So this is the buy. Like I said, we have our first touch, our second touch, our third touch. It's a sweet spot. This is where you actually buy. But like I said, you'll be like, how do we still buy? Because we are selling on the resistance trend line. So now you buy, you can exit anywhere from here on the supply zone, which is this area right here. So once you exit at this area right here, let's say you buy from here, you exit from here. Now that's when we come back to the trend. The trend, as you can see, market has broken the resistance trend line and making it support. So we have a good retest. This is where you actually buy again. Once you buy from this level, and then you can swing trade the market all the way to the resistance trend line, which is massive pips. So let me show you how we got this move the other day. So what happens is that you just have to be creative. You have to make sure you analyze. Just use your technical to guide you in placing trades. You know, patience is key. Patience is actually a skill. That's why more experienced traders and pro traders, we believe in patience than in having to make quick bucks. We want to actually analyze and see what's happening to the market, because once you analyze, this is when you have clear details on what's happening to the market. So I'll start my trend from here at this level right here, draw it all the way straight. Yeah, so I'll go back in an hour again. So I started my trend from here to this level because we have our first point, second point, third point, which is a good buy. So now market is coming all the way to this level right here. So the NASDAQ has been consolidating all the way to this level. So once market touches this level, we're expecting a nice buy. But in my own concern, I'll wait for more confirmation because we are still on the resistance trend line. So I've got 3 things that can happen to the market. We can expect market to be bullish again and then retesting back to the trend line, to the channel. So this is the expectations that we have. And then once in our expectations, make sure you also add a trend line on this level. So we already have our first touch. Now we're having our second touch. So once market breaks and retests, we'll have our third touch, which will confirm a very good entry point. So once we confirm a very good entry point, then we are saying market will drop from this level all the way down. So it will be a good swing trade. If you're looking to swing trade the NAS100, it will be a very good number of pips. So you can actually look forward in joining us on the live next time or on our YouTube channel. So that's why we are here. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow and like us on our Instagram too. Just type Mr. Vix and the Digital HFX logo will pop up. So these are one of the things that we'll discuss, and then if you join our mentorship, these are some of the classes, things that we'll talk about. And then to make things good for you guys is that we will discuss this on live and wait for market to actually plan out very well. So we'll place trades at the same time, so we can give you a proper guide on how we can trade the NAS100 as well as VIX 75. So thank you guys for watching this video. These are one of the things that I wanted to share with you regarding the Nasdaq. I hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, please put a thumbs up, and if you feel like watch us again on this channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out every time I post something new. Peace out.